What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about DEX, and I feel like DEXs are definitely going to take over the crypto space because we all know that DeFi is where it's at, right? People that are trading on exchanges, you know that that's not your keys, not your crypto, and that feels a certain way, especially when you see places like FTX and Gemini and BlockFi and just everything that has happened across the board and all of the controversies, whether they're all true or not. The thing is that when they fail, if they do fail, you potentially can lose everything that you own. So trading on a platform to where it is your cryptocurrency and it will always be your cryptocurrency, and being able to trade on something that could be low fees, could be faster transaction times, could be something that's that is more efficient, that's more secure, right? That's kind of the way that you want to go about it, right? You have all the control over how secure things are, right? So in this video, I want to talk about Satoshi DEX, which is a project that came across my desk. It's the world's first Bitcoin DEX. If you guys want to, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I will provide all of the links for Satoshi DEX down below, so at the top of the description, so feel free to check that out as well. Now, if you wanted to get through this video fast and just understand what's going on and kind of get on to buying whatever you wanted to buy, let's give you all of the key points, right? The project key points that we have in here, and then we'll go into the website as well as kind of comparisons and everything there. So Bitcoin and Stacks ecosystem are growing fast this year. Stacks reached a new all-time high of 122,000 active accounts during April. This calls for a push of new DeFi ecosystems on Bitcoin, on the Bitcoin blockchain. Satoshi DEX, the first DEX built on the Stacks blockchain, it's connected to Bitcoin through proof of transfer consensus. DEX will be released soon. You have Satoshi DEX will use cross-chain mechanisms which allow the connection of Bitcoin denomination liquidity pools and DeFi ecosystems. The Satoshi DEX team has raised over $11 million, which you will see later in the pre-sale, and the total sold allocation is 24.99% of the total supply. The project is a community-funded, no VC is involved, so no one can sell at the high point, right? No one can sell on the community. The team has implemented a staking system with dynamic APY for 7 connected chains. Max APY now is at 160%. The claim will be available at TCG. Over 800 million SatoshiDex tokens are staked now. Swap and DEX will be released before TCG, and all participants will be able to test the Satoshi DEX in quarter or Q2 this year. The mainnet launch and the first set of liquidity pools will be released on Q3 and Q4 this year. The Satoshi DEX team was sponsored for Epic Web3 on Token 2049 and other blockchain conference 2024. The project provided events for community. Then you have the contests, trophy to increase engagement. So these are different things. These are different key points that I think you guys need to understand or know about before you kind of dive into it, because they have a lot of things that's going for it. And I just wanted to go through a list of everything that they do have to offer. But let's go into the website, right? Because this shows more of a depiction, more of a picture of what we're talking about here. But Satoshi DEX, the world's first Bitcoin DEX. If you guys want to, again, check out the links, I will provide those at the top of the description. It stands out and pioneering a decentralized exchange operating within the Bitcoin network. Unleash the sheer force of unrestricted trading while basking in the rock solid security and unwavering stability that only Bitcoin can offer. So for the pre-sale information, you can see that you can buy with a lot of different positions, whether Solana, ETH, BSC, or and so on and so forth, right? The total amount that has been raised is $12.3 million out of the $12.34 million there. Now, you have about 18 hours until the next price increase. So if you guys are interested in getting in at this price, at the price that they stand at, so this is the round price, which is about 4.8 cents. I don't know what the next round price will be, but you know it will be higher than this point. So no matter what, if you invested right now before this 18 hours is up, you know that you will automatically have a gain there. Now, currently, I just wanted to put my information out here to see what we have there. What I'm going to do in this video is I think that with all of the funding that they've had here and you know all of the hype that I have seen, especially as you go over to the Twitter account and you see that you have 32,000, almost 33,000 followers here, the hype, the potential, I'm going to throw $100 into here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a portion of BNB. You can connect your wallet easily. You can connect your EVM wallet. You can connect your Solana wallet as well. And you could trade with all of these other different cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize BNB. I think I am logged in. Yeah, I think I'm logged in the BSC chain. So I'm going to go ahead and take, what is it, 0.2, which would be, I think that's about 100. I think it's about $100. 0.2 of BNB. I don't know what BNB stands at, but let me go 0.2. Yeah, 0.2. We'll do that. And that'll give me 2,300 stacks at the moment here. It looks like it says minimum purchase is 100. I don't know if that's 100. I don't think so. There we go. 0.3. So the minimum purchase is $140. So 0.3 will be the level that I go ahead and buy of BNB. I don't want to buy too much, but I don't want to buy too little. I want to make sure that I'm in it to win it because the comparisons of where this could be massive. So let me go ahead and purchase now. We're going to go through these transactions and confirm. And yeah, I'll take on that. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be a part of some things that are popular. And usually I like to get invested in a lot of these plays and be a part of some of these as they do have that opportunity there. So I do have my referral link. I will provide that referral link down below. So if you guys want to get involved with it, again, here it is on the screen. You can earn 22% if you're referring other people. I've successfully bought 3,539 worth of it. So let me go ahead and just keep that referral link on the side. Again, that will be at the top of the description if you guys want to utilize my referral link. But things that they are offering, right? So I want to go into some more detail here. So the things that they're featured in, you have Business Insider, CoinMarketCap, Binfold, you have Yahoo Finance, and all different places there. What is SatoshiDex? SatoshiDex is a revolutionary DeFi protocol that brings the flexibility and innovation of exchange to the Bitcoin blockchain. It allows users to trade, have liquidity pools, launch, transparency, directly trade tokens using Bitcoin, eliminate the need for wrapped assets, and expensive Ethereum fees. Staking and earn SatoshiDex. So you can stake, you can go ahead and stake now if you guys are interested. You can stake on whatever chain you do have. So ETH, BSC, you know, PLG, whatever it is, right? You have those different things there. So I have my balance here, and what I'm going to do is, let's say I wanted to stake all of it. Why not, right? So I wanted to stake all of it and throw that over here, and now I can stake this and go ahead about this and confirm. I'm going to stake everything that I have there. Obviously, it'll cost me a little bit of a fee in order to do so, depending on what chain you get involved with. but that may take a little bit of time. So here you go, your stakeable amount, that's there. Total staked balance now shows up as 3,544. So I did stake the amount that I put in there at 110 APY as of right now. And the interesting piece about this is the fact that you get to stake with any other chain rather than just staking with Ethereum. There's other pre-sales to where you're only staking with Ethereum. No wonder why this is so popular. So before we get out of here, let's quickly go through the tokenomics that they do have for Satoshi DEX. You have 10 billion coins in total. It looks like 30% is going to the pre-sale, 25% to liquidity. You have the team and advisors get 15%. Ecosystem fund is 15%. Staking is also 15%. So if you wanted to know how that was broken down, as well as the roadmap, again, we've broken down a little bit of the roadmap, but you have the beta launch, you have a Bitcoin ETF, which was Q1 of 2024, Q2 of 2024, Bitcoin halving, ecosystem growth for Q3 of 2024, Q4 of 2024 is BTC and SATX to the moon. Another thing that I wanted to do is actually go through a comparison here. So I wanted to go through a comparison of exactly what you see with DEXs and the reason why I think that things are so hype. I would say you look at things like Uniswap, and it currently sits at a $5.6 billion market cap. You look at something like a Jupiter that sits at a $1 billion market cap. You look at something like a PancakeSwap that has been around for a while that sits at a $568 million market cap. The point is that you can see this at a way higher success level based on the fact that you can swap, and it could be something that's active. Like PancakeSwap is the first DEX that I've used when it came to trading and even buying some of the position. Then it came Uniswap and utilizing Jupiter and Radium and all of these others that are there. I feel as though you have the ability, you have the success there, or the growth within it, because of the fact that it's you on the other side you have not your keys, not your crypto. And just seeing that level of success, you could see the same thing in something like a Satoshi DEX, the world's first Bitcoin DEX. So anyways, they offer a lot. I feel like when you think about DEXs, when you think about the things that DEXs offer compared to CEXs, the one thing is security or security over your own assets, knowing that you don't rely on the success of the exchange in order to keep your cryptocurrency, in order to keep the money that you invest, right? That's the difference maker between the two. So I decided to go in on this and be a part of it, and let's see how much I end up gaining. Right now it's at 110% APY, and we're gonna see how this fully plays out. Let me know if you guys have looked at this or have seen this, because again, has a lot of popularity to where you have 33,000 followers on Twitter. You have 12 million, almost $13 million that has been raised through the pre-sale. So anyways, let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know what you see within this play. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out all of the links down below for Satoshi DEX. I'll provide those at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.